In this video, how to completely uninstall Lenovo Vantage from Windows. First, open the Control Panel. Select Uninstall a program. From there, you can remove the Lenovo Vantage service. However, Lenovo Vantage may not appear in the list. To remove it, open the Installed Apps option in Windows Settings. From here, you can uninstall Lenovo Vantage normally. In some cases, the app may not be listed for uninstallation. You can remove it using PowerShell. Get the information of the Lenovo Vantage app. Then remove it using PowerShell. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.